If you are confused about where the crypto market is going right now, then this video is for you. Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Clarity. My name is Sahil and this is the channel where we talk all about blockchain and cryptocurrency. So in today's video, I want to talk about specific things that will help you in the mindset for this crypto market, especially with the prices going sideways and going down. A lot of the altcoins are back to their levels in November 2023 and some of them are even down from that. So this is a really good time to understand what is the basics of this market and how you can think of it in the long term. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. So if you look at the crypto market right now, you can see all of the altcoins are in red. This is cryptobubbles.net. If you haven't seen this website, this basically gives you a visual representation of what's going on in the market. But as you can see, all of them are down significantly, like 18%, 14% by. These are good projects, nothing wrong with them. So why is it going down? We are not seeing anything in the market right now that is reflecting what is happening to altcoins. If you see Bitcoin's price, this is sitting at 62,000 as of 24th of June. This is 2 p.m. in Australia, and you can see that it has been down 5% in the last 7 days. So obviously when Bitcoin prices go down, then altcoins are hit even more. So here we can see Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 54%, which is usually the case when altcoins are not that strong. So this is the reason as well that altcoins are taking that hit. When Bitcoin was earlier, last couple of weeks, it was ranging in that range of 65 to 67,000, and now it has broken that range and going a bit lower. So this basically means bad things for altcoins. So you can see all the altcoins are down 10%, 15% easy. So these are not bad projects. In the end, you have to understand all of this is related to Bitcoin price action, and when Bitcoin goes down, it will affect altcoin even more. Well, this is the reason that I have been talking about this crypto market being different, and we have seen so much good news in the past few years and still the market prices hasn't moved. So this is something that you need to understand. It will take time. It will always be in different cycles as well, and I have talked about this in my newsletter, which I released every week, and I have been doing this in last 3-4 weeks. This is something that I talk about there. I talk about the mindset and strategy that you need to have in the long run, especially with prices going sideways. It can be overwhelming sometimes, and you can have so much information out there which will make you feel that, oh, you need to sell this, sell that, and get out of the market already. But if you are reading these kind of things which are giving you a perspective of long-term strategy in the market, then you will be able to make better decisions in this. So let's get into the newsletter, which I talked about things like Global Liquidity Index and also the Bitcoin price halving, and how the trend is on the line right now. You can see that Bitcoin halving after 60 days, usually the market picks up. It has been this way since each cycle, and we are sitting currently at this point where it's sitting at this 60 days range and still trading downwards. There are always cases where it always goes up after 60 days of halving, and we have seen that recently as well, like this Global Liquidity Index. So if you don't know about this basically tells you about the market and how much value out there is in the markets to float around, and obviously the more money there is out there in the market, it's easier for asset classes to grow from there. And you can see that this also moves in cycles. This was a bit different in 2002 because of different events that happened, and then again after that it follows these cycles every now and then based on election cycles as well, and then interest rates as well. So you can see that this went down in 2023 because of the high interest rates in the market for everything. So it was harder for people to borrow money, and now when interest rates will be going lower, it will be easier for companies and people to have that liquidity provided to them, and then it will move to asset classes like Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as well. So you can see this again, this is a cycle, and this will obviously let you know what can market do in the coming year. So you can see that it's going to rise in 2025. It's also the elections in USA, so that will also be a big proponent in there. The crypto market prices, and crypto is a big narrative in elections now, because if you are a pro crypto leader, then people are more likely to vote you because there are more voters, obviously. So all of these things, they are getting intertwined together, but right now the price is not showing that. Also the ETF news that was coming in, that's crazy as well, because ETFs wise, Bitcoin ETF has been the fastest growing ETF in history, and even Ethereum will come in the coming days, so that's also going to be bullish long term. So have a look at those things as well. And then again, this one trend that I was talking about was Bitcoin halving. The prices after that, we are seeing it's ranging in the similar price range as it was earlier, in the previous halving cycles. Before that, it takes a while, goes sideways, and then the supply shock comes into the market. So this is where you want to be accumulating more. If you have positions already, then have them ready and packed to go. Don't move so much out of there, so that you have less implications on taxing as well. So make sure that you follow Crypto Clarity Substacks. I will also put that link in the description. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.